What's going on, family? Today I want to share with you a ranch style home where you can make it a story or a story and a half, and it's located in Indian Trail, North Carolina. Now, this community is the first of its kind in North Carolina. They have several of these communities in Florida, and I'm talking about the Esplanade community by Taylor Morrison. This one in specific is the Esplanade at Northgate in Indian Trail, North Carolina, where you can get a Pembrook Floorplan as a single level for under $410,000 right now, and I'm filming this in late January 2023. Now, if you get a story and a half, you get that second floor. When you see it, I think you're going to want it. That is right around $470,000 or $475,000. Come with me, let's go inside and look at this Pembrook model, and I'll also tell you about the community and what you can expect in Indian Trail in Union County, North Carolina. Let's go. Here we are about to go into the Pembrook model here at the Esplanade at Northgate. Now, the Pembrook, without the top story, it is 1641 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Now, if you add that story and a half, you get 3 bedrooms and a huge loft area upstairs, which we will see at the end. Please stick around to see that. But look at the finishes throughout this home. Taylor Morrison does not disappoint when it comes to their finishes. That honeycomb tile in the shower, now this community will be sort of like a resort community once it's all finished. It has your pickleball courts up front. It will also have an amenity center with a huge pool with cabana areas, fire pits. You have walking trails and dog parks in the community. It is truly an all-inclusive 55 and older community. They will have social get-togethers for the community every month. So that's very unique to where you get to feel as joined or as part of the community as you want to. You don't have to partake in every event, obviously. But it's an option for you to get to know people, get to know your neighbors, and just have fun. Enjoy your years where you're retired or soon to be retired. You don't have to really worry about anything. You don't have to worry about going uptown or anything like that, because you're going to have social events right in the community. The community has an activity director. Again, pricing for the Pembrook, if you build it from scratch, can come in as low as $410,000. This has a wraparound porch. Look at that, wraparound screened in porch. Perfect for your spring evenings, your fall evenings. I'm not gonna say summer. Summer is gonna be a little too hot, a little too humid for me, but perfect for at least half the year, if not 3/4 of the year. Going into the owner's suite, large walk-in closet, and now we're about to go to the owner's bathroom. Look at this counter space. You do have a full garden tub as well as a separate shower. Now, I know this is in Indian Trail, North Carolina, and Indian Trail sounds like it's way out in the suburbs. However, you are about 5 minutes from a Walmart. You have all your conveniences right within 5 to 10 minutes of you. And if you want to get uptown, you're about 35 minutes from uptown and 35 to 40 minutes from the airport. Now we came upstairs. Look at how large this loft is. You also have a full bathroom up here as well as another bedroom. So if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in the Charlotte area, whether it be new construction or a resale home, please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help. Number is on the screen. We also have a link in the description to where you can contact us. We have our own app to where you can have conversations with us right through the app. We try to make it as seamless and easy as possible for people to get in touch with us, contact us, ask us questions, and we can help advise you in the home buying and selling process. As a buyer, it doesn't cost you a thing, so it's just important to have a representative and an advocate on your side looking out for your best interest. Again, I'm Sir Ashley. I look forward to hearing from you. Talk soon.